are blue for me.
Mariko will be preach. Kangwa May will be Dave preach. I am the representative of district number 3. And the citizen asked me that living in the water, no way to go to school. Please help us. The vote the people gave us, the vote must be able to work for them. So, I will never everybody to come and I'll tell them, you hear call your auntie, you hear call your son. Say anyway you hear for that come to the groundbreaking. You who hear. And you hear about the people saying you say, well, listen to what my people say. Listen and listen clearly. As representative of the district, we listen to what the government say. They say that they want the bridge will lay by that center, but they will not stop us from building the bridge. They can't stop us. So everything they say we agree to it. This country does not belong to Joseph Parker. This country does not belong to Unity Party. It was 6 million Liberian people. The government only get opportunity for the people to say electing you. What development the rest, the US way down, but the thing prices high. People suffering. Women going in the market, no way. Students now want to go to school. Children, Papa say, children will not be selling. You guess these children selling or what? Hey, children are selling? They probably 4. So, if you hear, tell them for your sister. I told Musa, baby, I said, Musa, that time to bring crap. All we want is come and break ground for the bridge. You're not coming to tell us I can't build a bridge. As you speak, all the steel rods to build a bridge, 90% of the steel rod on ground. Right now, my information, in the next 1 hour, we'll be having 3,000 bags of cement right here in the community to begin the project. So when I tell you they say, that in the groundbreaking one say, the people broke ground, they place it in the forest, people hunting right there, people looking for groundhog there. I want the groundbreaking, when we break ground, we start the project. So I want to say, from up over Hill, we will put street lights from there across all the way, going straight across the road to make Banya to look better. Hello? So every year, you give her the groundbreaking.